This is my third 996, and there are two jobs that I'd always recommend doing when you get a new car. Mentioned about the battery case, but the other one is to check the coolant reservoir cap. Porsche over the years have modified it, and so the part number now is 04 at the end, and if the cap is not that, then it's worth swapping it. The part costs in the UK about £18 from your dealer, and it's really very easy. Just a case of unscrew it and put the new one on, and that then should protect you from failure of that cap, which obviously then loses the coolant. So yeah, check the part number, make sure the last two digits are 04, and if they're not, then get a new cap and replace it. Having said that, there are only two things I'd recommend. The third one is, you can see here that the strut that holds the engine lid is not holding it. So the other one I would always recommend is, if that happens, it's really easy to just replace this strut, which again costs about £25 in the UK for a new strut, and it's very straightforward to change. So if that it keeps dropping on your head, I'd suggest getting that sorted.